I expected to see something modernized.
Me too.
Yo, and the bell works. It's got an innovation lantern with Westinghouse chime. That's really cool, actually.
Okay, this was worth the stop.
Time to see the fixtures.
Ew!
I knew it'd be modded. But hey, the bell, it's still there. It's the real deal.
Traction.
These are fast. This floor is under construction.
Okay, we're doing another ride. We're doing another ride.
And we can easily do another ride. This floor is under construction. Nobody would ever.
These are their original controllers.
Yeah. No, this is just a fixture. I like that they kept the bell.
Yeah. Original Westinghouse traction elevator, still in Colorado. That's exciting.
Classic leveling.
Awesome.
That's beautiful.
We've had a pretty good day today.
Yeah, a lot of good stuff to be found. Unlike our usual, where it's like, well, here is an innovation universal. And it was previously an innovation universal.
Awesome.
2 dinner plates is sticky.
Just one table.
Yeah, this is like, okay.
That's it.